Hi, do you like chocolate chip cookies? Yeah. Would you like to learn about my science fair? Sure. Okay, so for my science fair, my question was, which chocolate chip cookie recipe makes the best cookie? So what I did was I found 3 different recipes of chocolate chip cookies. One from Nestle, one from Martha Stewart, and one from Cooking Channel. And so I made 3 different batches of cookies made with these recipes, and I had students in my class come and try them, and this was a taste test where they did not know which recipe was which, so they were just labeled 1, 2, and 3. Then they were asked to rank them in order from 1 being the best, 2 being the second best, and 3 being the third best. And then I thought that the Nestle recipe would have been the best over the Martha Stewart and the Cooking Channel. And so for my experiment, when I had 7 students rank them, and so after I finished, then I added them up, so like each ranking was a number of points. Like 3 would be 3 points, and so when I added them up, the lowest score would win because 1 would be the best. And so as you can see on my data sheet, the Martha Stewart recipe, which was recipe number 2, had 10 points, which was the least out of all of them. So it came in first place overall. Any questions? What would you like to do, like, in the future if you did this project again? Like, would you change anything? Well, I am really curious about why, as you can see, my results are they're all over the place, kind of mixed up. So I would like to know why some students prefer some textures and flavors over others. So I think I would like to do an experiment about that, like see if like students' personalities affect what kind of foods they like to eat or what kind of like flavors they like.
That's really interesting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, would you like to learn about my science fair project?
That would be amazing.
Okay, so my question was which bubble solution recipe will make a bubble last longer? And what I did is I had 7 different ingredients, which were orange juice, Dawn Original, corn syrup,
What is Dawn
water.
Original?
It's a type of soap. Orange juice, apple juice, and water. And what I did is I took a cup of bubble solution, and over here you can see I put it into one of these containers.
Yeah.
And then I put
Did you
each.
do one quick question. Did you do the same amounts for each, or was one little, did it vary a little?
Same amount. So each one was a cup of bubble solution in each, and then I filled half of I put each ingredient and filled it halfway in a Dixie cup, and then poured it into one of the containers. And after that, I blew the bubbles to see how long each would last. And I did 3 trials for each, and I did the median since I had lots of outliers. And orange juice lasted the longest with 136 seconds, and Dawn Original lasted the shortest amount of time with 8 seconds. And
Why did you choose the ingredients that you did? Like, why is Jello powder important? Or sugar, corn syrup, water, apple juice, or the soap? Why did you choose those? You could have used milk or something.
well, I chose water because like there's already like sort of water in that, so I wanted to see if like more water made it last longer. And then for Dawn Original, because there are already like bubbles in there, and I wanted to see if more bubbles will make it.
Why that? Why can't you use like a different type?
Well, because I found out that Dawn Original is one of the best type of soaps to use when I was doing my review of literature. And then I chose orange juice because of the acid to see like how that would affect it. I also chose Jello powder and like corn syrup and sugar because they were like stickier.
Oh,
So I wanted to see like if they were stickier, if that would affect it.
now what was your hypothesis? What did you think would last?
I thought sugar would last the longest because I found that sometimes stickier ingredients can help it, so I thought
It
sugar.
looks like sugar had the second to least.
Yeah.
Wow.
So my hypothesis was not really that right. But with this project, I'd like to thank my mom who helped me buy all the ingredients I needed, and Mr. Solars who came up with really good ideas to help my project get this good. And then last, Kendall and Allison helped me record data and time how long the bubbles lasted.
And if you could do anything different, like change it, or any variables, what would you change?
I would like to change the environment, like maybe, because I did it in a classroom, so maybe do it like outside, or like maybe in in a colder temperature room, or like in a warmer temperature room, and see if like that changes anything. Do you have any other questions?
Why did you want to do this? Why did you want to do something with bubbles?
Well, in the summer, I really like blowing bubbles. So I thought it would be cool to see like if there's other like how long bubbles last with different ingredients included.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.